I'm going to be showing you how to fold an origami goldfish, and this model is a easy intermediate model. So you're going to need one square piece of origami paper. You're going to start by folding it in half, folding it edge to edge. Unfold, rotate, and repeat. Okay, so now once you have that done, I'm going to open up and fold this edge to the center crease. Just like that. And unfold and bring this edge to the center crease. Okay, and unfold. And fold this edge to the center crease. Unfold and bring this edge to the center crease. Okay, and then unfold. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is use the creases that you made in the last step. I'm going to fold both of them and then fold the little triangle upwards, just like that. And do the same thing on this side. Okay, so now that we have that done, you're going to fold this bottom corner up to the horizontal center crease, and then you're going to fold it down about there. And then unfold that and do the same thing here, and then unfold. Then you're going to fold your model in half, just like that, and this tail and then fold it in half, and it should look like that. Just like that. Okay? So, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take this flap and release the trapped paper. Oops. If it's easier, you can unfold that tail and open that up and then do it, and it makes it a little easier. Okay, so now when you fold the tail back, you're going to fold the paper over, just like that. Okay. Now, the next thing that you're going to do, after you have that done, is fold this over to about there, and then turn it over and repeat. Okay. Then fold that over, and the same thing on this side. Now you're going to open this up, and you're going to fold that upwards Then open it up like that. Then you're going to fold it back down and open it up and tuck it in. Just like that. Okay. Now you're going to take the head, you're going to fold it up to about there. And unfold, open up your model, and using those creases, fold the head inside the rest of your model with that little triangle sticking out the top. Okay. So, once you have that done, you're going to take this part of your model and fold it in a little bit. And the same thing on this side. Fold it inwards like that. And then fold this layer of the tail down. And then you're going to take this fin and you're going to open it up and fold that top tip down. And you're going to sort of define the fin. Just kind of tucking it in. And then the same on this side. Just like that. And then you're going to push inwards on this part, just like that. Kind of push inwards to create the mouth of your goldfish. And then there you go, your origami goldfish. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you might want to check out some of my other origami videos, or go to paperfoldingfun.com for printable PDFs or instructions to any models that you'd like. So have a good day, keep folding, I'll see you in upcoming videos. Bye!